Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll until we will find password and security. Now let's tap on system security, and here let's scroll down to the credential storage, actually to the other section, and on the second position we've got credential storage, so let's enter. And here at the very bottom we've got this remove all user certificates, so simply tap and tap on OK. And as you can see, we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your OPPO Find X5 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.